Imagine a digital interface containing a list of 3 users: Aniket, Rahul, and Priya. When you delete the middle item, you expect the list to shorten. Instead, the wrong name vanishes, and the remaining blocks scramble into the wrong positions. This happens because the system has lost the connection between the user's name and the specific block it was assigned to. When you add or remove items, the underlying engine has no internal method for distinguishing one block from another as they move. It sees the 3 slots on your screen, but it doesn't recognize the unique data living inside them. It only tracks the coordinates where that data currently sits. By default, the React engine identifies list items by their sequential spatial order, mapping them simply as item 1, item 2, and item 3. This 1, 2, 3 sequence is fragile. The moment you remove an item from the middle or drop a new one at the top, the original sequence no longer matches the data it was meant to represent. To prevent this, the engine needs a way to track an object's identity across the entire lifecycle of the application, regardless of where it moves. Without a permanent, reliable way to tell these items apart, dynamic interfaces remain highly prone to logic errors. Consider a teacher looking at 3 identical school bags. She labels their current positions A, B, and C. If she is told to remove bag B from the lineup, the physical arrangement changes instantly. This creates a logical gap. Because the teacher was only tracking the B position and bag C has now slid into that empty space, she has to guess if the bag she's looking at is the original middle bag or the one from the end. Spatial tracking fails the moment the objects within that space shift. We solve this by assigning a permanent ID to the bags themselves. A becomes 1, B becomes 2, and C becomes 3. When we remove the second item, the third bag still carries its 3 tag even after sliding into its new position. The system checks the remaining tags, 1 and 3, and knows exactly which entity is missing. A unique identifier separates an object's identity from its location, making the list stable even as the environment changes. Logistical networks manage identical packages this exact way. They use unique tracking numbers to maintain the identity of a box moving through a sorting facility. In React, we implement this logic using the users.map function to transform our data into a list on the screen. Within this function, we include the key property, setting it to the user's unique ID. In the digital space, assigning a key serves the same purpose as a license plate on a car. It provides a way to verify exactly what an object is. A key is a unique identifier that allows React to track, update, remove, and reorder list items efficiently. When keys are missing, the engine has to reevaluate the identity of every item whenever the data shifts. With keys, the engine recognizes the persistent identity of each element, allowing it to update the UI without confusion. Stable code strictly defines what objects are, not just where they sit. This allows the engine to handle complex updates without losing track of data.